What is up,
What's up, guys?
Back to the YouTube video. So
Welcome back.
today, me and Ethan are gonna be playing the vending machine only challenge, and yeah. So we'll see you guys in the game. Make sure to subscribe and like, turn on post notifications. So yeah, see ya. Peace. Okay, guys, we are in the game.
So, we know other YouTubers have done this back in like chapter 1, but we're a little early to the party, so. Oh yeah, my bad. Cause like I didn't want to be late, so I said early. Know what I'm saying?
Yep. Of course.
We can get, we can get more.
Oh,
We can get more.
I only have 100 gold.
Oh, I have a video idea.
What?
Only key loot.
Yeah.
I'm getting him. What's that vending machine loot?
Yo, it's the dyer.
Wait, what?
Oh, shh.
Oh! No, bro. Wait, what does it give you?
Gives you the big stacks of gold.
Wait, you're in the vault?
No.
Let's see how. Find it yourself. Piece of. Let me get some gold. We can take sword pieces, right?
How much gold do you have? How much?
Wait.
Be honest.
How much do you have? How much do you have?
300. How much?
1,500.
Okay. Get that little stack over there.
Wait, Grace, I have a question. We can hold sword pieces, right?
Okay, I only have. Definitely stole something.
I stole none.
I had 350 and I only got 4. And I got that big stack.
I did nothing.
Oh.
Oh, gracious.
I already got it.
No, you don't.
Yes, I did.
Stop capping. Are you taking a sword piece right now?
Oh,
Wait for me.
give more.
I have 2 sword pieces, but
Let's go.
how long is this video? I don't steal, bro. You're the one who steals my kills.
Oh,
Bro, check the drone video, bro. I got this.
I stole one of your kills because you stole my kill.
I didn't steal your kill, bro.
Machines over here. Okay, doesn't matter.
It does.
Yeah, there's 0. Oh. You can fight.
Oh, I need your help.
No, not like.
Help me.
Why would I help? I told you not to fight. And you said, and you just.
Is there a vending machine?
No, bro. We literally have a DMR. We're never gonna win any fight.
Why do I have 3 kills?
Because those kids were bots.
Hit on me!
You didn't build it. Come here.
No.
Just go
He does
invisible.
not.
Just go invisible.
You do not. Oh yeah.
And then come to me once you go invisible. And come to me.
Okay, where are you?
I'm invisible too. I'm on top of this building.
This kid doesn't know where I went.
That's just hilarious.
Wait,
Ready to be
is he active?
Right when he comes up from the thing. Hand him 39. We gotta beam him.
Oh, we're dead. We're so dead. These kids have shotties.
Solo. Got him.
Good. I had to help.
Try to go invisible. I got 6 seconds left. Right after
You go invisible. I gotta kill his teammate because you're well. Oh, his teammate's far. Oh, baby.
Go invisible. Go invisible.
No. Oh, yeah.
Where is he? I can't see him.
I can't see him yet. Oh, I can see him.
Oh, I see him.
Where?
I see him. Do you see him?
I'm in a bush. I'm gonna freaking snap this kid to me. Oh, I'm dead. There's an help. He's on me. Just beam, just beam. I'm here.
Go invisible.
No, dude.
What do you mean, bro? That's the only thing we can do.
We have a
Come
DMR.
on, give me. Come on, give me what I want.
Grayson, come to me, bro. Go invisible and fight him, bro.
Beat the dead. Got him.
You're insane.
Bro, man decided to shoot you. Bro, I freaking pulled.
You never shoot Dire. You never shoot Dire, because Grayson always has my back.
Beamed it. Okay, now let's go invisible.
Let's get these raptors. Yeah, he died. Cool.
Yep, I see it.
Wait for me, kid. I'm like the best on the team.
Are you dumb?
You need the best player to stay.
Beamed him. Now I'm going invisible.
Oh, on the raptor? Nah.
Oh. Bro,
That's
can you let me
right.
go invisible? You see him? He's in the water. Oh, no?
That's an NPC, bro.
I didn't know. Yeah,
You
I know.
fricker.
Wait, someone recruiting?
Someone's targeting you, by the way.
Oh, you're right there.
Someone's targeting you, by the way, to protect Grayson right now. I need help.
Where are you?
Next to you.
I'm gonna go kill these kids.
No, we're not. That's an
Yes, we
NPC.
are. No, it's not. It's why would it just be an NPC? It's literally just like this. Oh, man, I just got beat.
Me and you just absolute.
I'm gonna be honest.
The DMR is so good, bro.
Yeah, once it's
It's underrated. Bro, it's underrated.
underrated.
Oh, I gotta go
Not
on this.
going mid, going mid. If they let me go to mid, I can go. Vending machine.
Bro, Grayson, stay with me, bro. I'm dying.
Oh, it's all good. Let's go. Let's freaking go.
Bro,
Yes, bro.
you always want to go with Biz.
Yeah, so we can look around, see kids. Oh, someone's going right there. Oh,
On this. Should we get on this? Yeah. We're dead.
he's dead. What are you talking about?
He just got beamed.
Hold the wall. Hold the wall. Got the big. Hold the
I need
wall.
mats. I have no mats. I just got mats. I had none. I don't know.
Got one. Oh, got one. That one. How did you shoot me through a field?
Got one?
Get the other one. Get the
No.
other one.
I can't. We're in
Right here.
storm.
Right here. Yeah, that's it. Let's go. Come on, Ethan.
My shotgun's gone. I need to reload, and this is the longest reloading shotgun. Remember? I got it. I got it off.
Go in this. Come on, Ethan. Let's go. Let's go, Ethan. You got this.
Yes!
Let's go, Ethan. That's what I'm talking about, bro.
I'm the best teammate ever, right? Is that a clutch? Are you gonna post that?
Why are you shooting?
Get on me. I don't hear it. I don't even see one. Okay, never mind.
Why did you say get on you?
I thought. Bees. Okay. Where are you?
Right here. On this thing.
Oh, the bees are They're killing me.
Then go on the zip.
They're killing me.
Get up here. Come up
Help
here.
me.
Ethan. What are you doing?
They're killing me,
They
bro.
won't. They're the same HP that you were.
Dire, I need your help.
Ray Dyer.
You need a
Hit
clutch.
him 18.
You need 18's not good.
No, Biz. You want this
I'm hacking.
one. Go invisible.
I am. Because I hatched one to help us.
Hit him 18. 3 times. Get up here.
I can't, bro.
What do you mean?
I'm 50 health.
Take this. Take that big. Got you.
Oh, thank you, Dad. I mean,
Shit.
ah. What? Grayson, you're gonna have to clutch. This is your biggest moment of the year, bro.
Bro, I hate this. I hate that music.
This is your biggest moment of the year, okay, bro?
Come on, let me go invisible. Thank you.
Grayson, this is your biggest moment. Grayson, take a med.
Stop
med.
talking.
Take a med right there.
I'm not in circle.
Oh, come on.
Right here, I'll take it.
With invis on.
Did miss.
Oh, nah. Why are you not going in circle, bro?
I thought I was in circle.
Take it. Oh, it's a 2v1. You're dead.
Bro.
It's about.
Shut
It's about.
up.
Please solo win. The solo needs to win. Nope, he didn't win. He didn't win. I'm not talking, man.
You guys think, oh, you need to like.
Grayson, this is your biggest moment.
Where these kids at?
They're below you.
I don't see them.
They're hiding in a box. Oh, never mind. Oh my god, you beamed the crap out of one of them. Don't take that.
Go take that or don't.
I said don't. Dude, he beamed. Kill him. Jump. Yep,
Jeez.
you're dead.
Bro, why do
I'm
you
kidding.
stop?
I'm kidding. I'm being positive, bro.
What do you mean? I'm gonna die. It's like, oh yeah, you're gonna die.
Yeah, freaking build, bro. You're done with maths.
You got freaking 500 wood.
Okay, freaking build!
See you guys next video.